So in the second part of the chapter, numerical ability number system, we are going to learn about the divisibility test. So when a number is divided by 2 or when a number is divided by 3, we have to find out it in the numerical aptitude exams in a given short time. So for that we have to know these tricks provided in this video. Like we're learning here that a number is divisible by 2 when its unit place digit is even or 0. Like a number, we can say that, for example, 10. So its unit place digit is 0 and it is 0, so it can be divided by 2. So it will apply. Or like if a number, like for example 46, so its unit place digit is 6. It is not 0 but it is even. So if it is given that if it is unit place digit is even, then it is also divided by 2. So 46 can be divided by 2, which is equal to 23. So we can check the number, given number. If it is a big number also, then we just need to check the unit place digit, whether it is even number or it is a 0. Then we can decide upon whether the number will be divided by 2 or not. Similarly, for divisible by 3, it is stated when the sum of the digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number is also divided by 3. When the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. For example, we know that 27 is divided by 3, it is 9, so 27 is divisible by 3. Now check the number, sum of the digits of 27. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. So if we divide 9 by 3, it is equal to 3. So this sum is divisible by 3. So in that case, we can say that 27 is divisible by 3. Similarly, if we consider a big number like say 168, so we find the sum of the digits 1 plus 6 plus 8, so it is 7 plus 8 equal to 15. If we divide 15 by 3, it is equal to 5. So the sum is divisible by 3. So if we now check 168 divided by 3, so if we divide it, it will be divided into 5 and 6, 56. So 168 divisible by 3. So if you just check the trick that if the sum of the digits in the given number is divisible by 3, then you can say that the given number will be divisible by 3. Now if we check the divisibility test for 4, so it is stated a number is divisible by 4 when the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4. So if the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 4, for example, if you say that the number like 256, so we have to check this last two digit. 56 is the number made by the last two digits. So if you divide it by 4, then 1 and 6 times it is divisible by 4. So 256 is also divisible by 4. Now if we check that 256 upon 4 we will get 6 4 64. So yes, it is divisible by 4. So in this way we can check a given number. For divisibility by 5, we have it treated if the unit digit is unit plus digit is divisible by 0 or 5. Unit plus digit is 0 or 5 when unit plus digit is 0 or 5, then the number will be divisible by 5. So 50 is unit plus digit is 0. Okay, so 50 is divisible by 5 is equal to 10. If we divide it by 5, it is 10. Then we consider 775. So each unit digit is 5. So it should be divisible by 5. And then if we check, we can divide it 1, 27, 5, 10, 25, 5. So yes, 775 is divisible by 5. So this shortcut will work here. Then if we check the divisibility by 6, the trick for divisibility by 6 is that a number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. So for divisibility by 2 and 3, we have already learned how to check the divisibility by 2 and 3. Now let us consider an example for 6. Let we have considered 96. We have considered 96. So 96 is divisible by 2 because its unit digit is 6, which is an even number. And for divisibility by 3, we have to check the sum of the two digits. So 9 plus 6 will be 15. So it is divisible by 3 also. So we can say that 96 is divisible by 6. Or if we divide by 6, then we have to find the result 16. So for a given big number, so we can calculate this type of results, like maybe for divisibility by 66. So it is divisible by 2, and if the sum is calculated is equal to 18, so it is divided by 3, so it is also divisible by 3, and since unit digit is 6, it is even number, so it is divisible by 2 also. So since dividing by both 2 and 3, it is divisible by both 2 and 3, so this number will be surely divisible by 6 also. Next, 8. So when the number formed by the last two digits is divisible by 8. So for example, like if we also consider 512 here, it is last 3 digit. So last 3 digit. So 512 is 3, last 3 digits is 5, 1 and 2. So we divide it by 8. So we'll get like the number 64. So it is divisible by 8 directly. You can say that if we want to get the number 2048, then its last 3 digits is 48, given the number 48. So if we divide 48 by 8, then it is equal to 6. So 204 will be 48 will be divisible by 8. Similarly, for divisibility by 9, a number is divisible by 9 when the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. Sum of its digits is divisible by 9. For example, if we consider 981, so if we add this digit, then it is equal to 18, and then if we divide it by 9, then it will 2, so it is divisible by 9. So according to the criteria, 981 can be divisible by 18. So now if you directly divide it by 981 by 9, and then 1, 18, 2, 0, 81, 9, so 109 is the result. So 981 is divisible by 99. Directly you can say that. For divisibility by 10, when the unit place digit is 0, then I can say that it is divisible by 10. Unit place digit should be 0. Digit is 0. Like consider 110, each unit digit is 0, so if you divide by 10, result is 11. It is simple, you just need to check the unit place digit.